this is Audrey, also known as Noble Strength, and welcome to my channel. Thanks so much for tuning in. Hope you all are having a wonderful day wherever you are in the world. So as you can see by the title below, I'm going to be doing a review and styling of this lovely clutch that I purchased off of Amazon. I've really been on the Amazon purchasing kick as of late. You know I love a good novelty bag, and that is what this is. But it's one that you can, wear dressy or casual. I absolutely love it. Now, I want to preference by saying, yes, I have on false lashes. If you watched the pretty picture handbag tag, I think it was like 2 videos ago. If you watched that video, you'll know that I kind of talked about my first time wearing false lashes, and I haven't worn them since. Well, I was shopping around in Kroger and I decided that I want to give them a try again. And I really am not about putting glue on my face. So now that these magnetic lashes are out, I thought I'd give them a try. So that's what these are. And I'll show you at the end of the video, because that's not what you came here for. You came here for the purse, but I'll show you what I purchased at the very end of the video, just so you'll know what lashes these are. But yes, I'm wearing magnetic lashes, guys. They're interesting. When you don't wear lashes on a regular basis, they take some getting used to. But anyway, so the bag. I had tried to record how it came packaged, and I thought I was recording, but I wasn't. You know how that is in the world of content creating. So this is the box. I've already, like I said, opened it. I've already seen it, and it's just absolutely adorable. I have to say that I am like, what should I say? I gravitate towards things that have the word love on them. I have a couple of Coach pieces with love. Like I have a little love keychain or bag charm that says love from the Keep Hearing collection. And then I have the love pouch also from Coach. But I just like things with love. I think the message of love is just amazing. So this is one in a series of things that I purchased that have love on them. So I have one more coming, and I'll upload that soon. This is the first one, and it's just this adorable clutch. It has the bubble wrap and the cellophane, and it also came with like a protective plastic on it. But like I said, I already have taken that off. So this is it. Just a cute, adorable clutch. Absolutely love it. It's a little dressy clutch that I got off of Amazon. It has a little logo, word love and raised up on it. I'm a bit of a nostalgic person in the sense that I grew up playing with Legos. Who didn't grow up playing with Legos? I grew up playing with Legos, and I had a bucket. It was like a pail of Legos, and they were made out of different material than they're made out of now. But I remember making so many different things using them, and I remember making a windmill because we were having Memphis in May, and we were paying tribute to Holland. And so I made this windmill, and I took it to school, and my teacher was so impressed with it. But anyway, this just takes me back to that. I absolutely love the bright colors and the nice black silhouette of it. So it has a little gold clasp at the top, and you just open it by lifting up, and it has the gussets on the side with the little elastic strap. It also comes with a little gold chain strap that you can attach to these little latches right here, and you can carry it on the shoulder. But yeah, I just thought this was just a cute little novelty piece. So I'm going to wear it a couple of ways for you, just so you can see how it carries, and I'll give you some specs on it as well. So stay tuned. This Women's Love acrylic clutch comes in different colors. So if you don't like black, you can get it in teal. And I know we have a lot of pink lovers out there. It also comes in pink as well. And then for a more summery vibe, it does come in white. I noticed that the white and black ones were a little bit higher. So you get the white and black for $22.99 and the others for $18.99, but still a great deal. Here are the sizing, measurements, and features of the bag. And as you can see, you can use it for many different occasions: weddings, proms, parties, black tie affair, cocktail, night out, you name it. And it does fit a cell phone, a small wallet, mirror, lipstick, all your essentials. So here are some styling. For styling number one, I am wearing a Derek Hart bodysuit that I picked up from Ross some time ago. The belt is a Tory Burch logo reversible belt, and the skirt is by H&M, and I thrifted that some time ago. And who doesn't love a skirt with pockets? These shoes are thrifted and they are by Vince Camuto, and I absolutely love these pumps. I love the little cutouts on them, and I think this black silhouette outfit is a perfect backdrop for this statement bag. It just pops against it. It is definitely saying, you know, here I am. I absolutely love this look, and this is like you being ready for a banquet, date night, dinner. It's elegant, it's sophisticated, it's classy, it's pulled together, and I absolutely love, like I say, an all black silhouette for a statement bag. So this is look number one. So for look number two, I am thrifted from head to toe, except for the purse. I changed it out for a more casual look by pairing it with a Gap turtleneck, a Gap denim jacket, and a red leather belt. The shoes are by Sam Edelman. And there you have a more casual look. I'm wearing it as a shoulder bag now, and now as a crossbody. So you have a lot of options with this bag, and it really does make a statement either way, dressy or casual. I want to give you one more close-up look at this beauty. So like I said, this bag is made of acrylic. It has a gold tone hardware for the latch and the chain strap, and it has the gussets on the side, fabric lining. It will hold quite a bit. You can unhook the chain strap very easily, no problem. And like I say, wear it as a clutch. It is a very sturdy chain strap and very well made, has a high gloss sheen, and that is it. Well, thank you so much for tuning in for the review of this Amazon Glove Clutch. I really love it. I think it's an awesome, cute little bag, and you can fit, you know, I can fit my iPhone 10 in here with no problem. So just your necessities, a card case, lip gloss, of course, you know, your mask, and a small like hand sanitizers, the things that we need these days and times. But yeah, really, really cute. I love it. I highly recommend it if you're into novelty bags and you like cute little things like this. Is just the most adorable clutch. Not an everyday bag. It's definitely a statement bag. It's definitely eye-catching. It's certainly a novelty piece and a conversation starter. And I am an Amazon affiliate, and so I will be leaving a link below for those of you who may want to purchase the bag. Consider using that link. You'll help me out. And like I said, I never review anything that I wouldn't want myself. And I've been having my eye on this bag for quite a while anyway. And so I just went ahead and jumped in and bought it and absolutely love it. I always look at all the reviews first, and this is a 4.5-star rating. Most of the reviews were a 5. I think there was 1 4, and but no bad reviews on this bag. Well, thank you guys so much for tuning in. And like I said, this is the first in a 2 series of my love purchases. So I will be uploading another video soon of something that I purchased that represents the word love. Oh, but before I go, I would like to share with you the brand of the magnetic lashes that I am wearing. I got them from Kroger, and they are the Kiss lashes. I'll show you on the screen what it looks like. But this is supposed to be very heavy duty. And it took a little getting used to, like a few minutes, but now, I mean, I can't even tell they're on. They're very, very light. They're not like falling or lifting or anything like that. So it's a very strong magnet. And this is cute. I would definitely will not be wearing these as an everyday thing, but on special occasions, I think I would pull these out. So that is it. Hope you enjoyed the review on this bag. Let me know in the comments below, what are your thoughts on this cute little novelty bag. My name is Audrey, also known as Noble Strength. Remember to be a good steward of all that God has given you, because he truly loves us so very much. And I will see you very soon. Bye. Why do I feel like a ballerina? I feel like a ballerina.